McFarland and Jimmy Welsh. These were the officers that were on scene, that were there initially, your first response.
I can't believe you're all here. Thank you so much.
I've been a cop for 36 years. I never thought a cop would save my life. You guys did.
Here, this is for you. You have one already, I'm sure.
Oh, I have one, but we'll take another one.
You look great.
Thank you
One
so
of the
much.
nurses here, Madeline.
Hi, I'm Tiffany. Yes.
These people are all amazing. I'm just eternally grateful that we were with the staff, the nurses, and the doctors that we had here. This place is amazing. I can't tell you what it was like to know that we were coming back here and to see you.
I lost it at the
And
airport.
there's Dr. Montgomery. Good to see you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything you did for us.
This is amazing. This is great. It's great to see him do so well this far out. We often see patients at their worst, and it's nice to see down the road how the recovery process is, and to actually see him go back to his life, to his kids, to his wife, and to be healthy.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. You look great.